Chris again. In the Hit Lab, we got a quick unboxing today because I received some mysterious gift this morning. So I was thinking that someone gave me a very big Black Friday gift. It turns out the Oculus Start Kit had finally arrived. So it's supposed to be on my hand around August, but now it's already November, but whatever. It's a big surprise for this Black Friday. Let's look at this huge box. I don't know what's inside. Let's just try to open it. It's already open. I don't know why. So let's see what's inside. We got a something hoodie. Oh, a nice headset stuff. A mysterious white box. And some other stuff. And paperwork. Is this giant mechanism? This giant box. So that's everything in the box. Let's take a closer look. So from the box, we got one black Oculus Start hoodie, following a Oculus Go. Well, that one's cool. And a mysterious white paper box plus a black Oculus Note. Yeah, and of course a Oculus Note pen. Also following this, the giant paper box, which I don't know what is that, plus some paperworks, and also a Oculus Start sticker. So that's pretty much a quick unboxing of this giant gift box received from Oculus Start. And I will go more into the details about everything in the future episode. And there are two boxes not yet being opened, the big one, small, and you must be very curious what's inside. So just stay tuned, hit the subscribe button if you want to see more things interesting. And until now, have a nice one. I'm gonna see you in next video.